How to use Chrome tabs groups to organize your phone. So if you're someone who likes to have different websites already visible or working on the background, and if you want to organize them, what you can simply do is create groups. You can do that by tapping on the three-dotted line, and then you'll see the option which says add tab to groups. So what you need to do first of all is, once you tap on the current website that you're on, you'll be able to see this icon, tab groups. What you can also do is tap on the three-dotted line and then tap on the new tab groups option. This way you can name this group whatever you like, and you can also change the theme of it. So name the group tab whatever you like, tap on done, and there you go. You can now open up any websites, and all of the websites will be gathered inside of this particular group tab. You can repeat this process in order to create other group tabs as well, so that all of the websites are visible inside a singular tab. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.